Alright, now to make the tomato topping for the top of our bruschetta. 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. 6 tablespoons, it's always 3 times more, of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. A little salt, pepper, and just a tiny bit of sugar. Just a little pinch. Squirt of Dijon mustard. About half a teaspoon. And give it a whisk till it all comes together. Alright, now we'll just slice up our tomatoes and toss them in. Cut them in half. Now I've chopped up our tomatoes, put it in the salad dressing. Give it a quick toss. I like to add some roasted garlic. This is in the winter time. If we weren't in the winter, I'd get some fresh basil and add some fresh basil to it. This is going to go on our cheesy garlic toast. Alright, now we've melted butter in our big pan. Add garlic. And then we dab our bread, turn it over. This goes into the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the toast is beautiful.
Nice.
And now, I'm going to spread it with some pesto.
Delicious pesto. The pesto. Remember, the pesto is delicious. Remember? I liked it before. Keep on spreading it. Spreading it. Keep spreading. Keep spreading.
Just keep spreading. Spreading, spreading, spreading. What do? We spread, spread.
All of these are gonna have green pesto. Some of them are gonna have red.
Yeah, it's under tomato pesto.
Yeah, that's my favorite pesto.
And then we put a big piece of fresh mozzarella cheese on each. Thumbs up. And now we're going to put it under the broiler until the cheese is nice and melty. It'll take about 5 minutes. Now the cheese is all melted. Look at that.
Delicious.
Delicious. Let's plate it up.
Boom. Boom. Can I have one with cheese?
Yes.
And one without cheese? The red pesto? That's good. Ooh, some cooked tomatoes. Okay, that's good. Okay, okay.
Tomatoes and roasted garlic.
It's enough tomatoes.
Kendall.
Now add that in. What is
This is some really good balsamic.
that?
Very good
Balsamic?
aged stuff. It's like a syrup. A little drizzle over it.
Little drizzle. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. That looks delicious.
Look at that.
Delicious.
Thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
Bye.